Hi, bestie. Happy Friday. So today I'm going to do my scratch off challenge here. This is the Zodiac challenge that I started this month. And I did budget to save $10 for this scratch off. I completed my other scratch offs that I started this month. I'm very happy with that progress. I have made a lot of progress this month and I'm very happy about that. Alright, so I got my $10, so I got 3 $2 bills, 4 $1 bills. Alright, so that's 10. Alright, and so I'm not gonna finish this one today. But if I end up getting some extra orders, I might end up being able to complete that this month. We'll see. Alright, so this is the one that I'm working on here. And I only have 3 scratch offs left, so I'm almost finished it. So, or when I do scratch off, just in case if you do here, I typically write a number on where the scratch off sticker is, and then I roll the dice to see which one to scratch off. So, I got my dice. I do have my scratcher today as well. Alright, so I have to scratch number 4. And let's see how much I have to cash stuff today. Alright, so I have to cash stuff $5. Let me know how you're doing in the comments. Hopefully all is well with you and yours. Do you have any plans for today or the weekend? Let me know in the comments. Alright, so I got number 3. Let's go ahead and scratch this off. Wow, so number 3 is $3. Alright, so I have that and I have $2 left. And based on the amount that's on this challenge here, the amount that I have to save, I don't think I have enough, and I'm trying not to do any IOUs. And to avoid doing IOUs, I will apply the money left over to the 100 envelope challenge that I started off doing this month. But hopefully I get some orders and then I can complete this. That'll be awesome because that would mean I've been completed more challenge for the month of February, and then I've been completed all of the scratch offs that I worked on this month. So let me make sure this is sorted so I can count this up. Alright, and I'm gonna update this tracker with what I saved so far. And if you're interested in this binder here, I'll leave the link for it in the description. I think it was like $9, and it has several scratch off challenges. You can't beat it because when you think about it, when you're buying individual challenges, you're paying like $5 for one. And with this binder, and I think they do have different types of designs as well, and you can't beat it for the price. You get an entire binder. You just don't get the scratch off. Alright, let's see how much I saved so far. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 24, 29. Is that right? Did I count that right? Hold up, let me do this now. 5, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 29, 30, 31. Alright. That's crazy. Let me know why I messed up when I was counting it first time, because I came up with 29, then I ended up with 31. Alright, so that's reconciled to what I have on this tracker here. And now I need to add the remaining amount to the 100 envelope savings challenge, and then I'll be finished with today's cash stuffing. Alright, so I need to get that, and then I do need to adjust my paycheck budget because I budget to do $10 for the scratch off, but I only did $8, and I need to update that amount, and that the remaining balance will go towards that 100 envelope. But yeah, that's basically it. And I'm currently working on like an analysis of how I done in the month of February, with my budget and my finances and my savings, but also with some other goals that I've been working on. And there's things that I have shortcomings, and right now kind of brainstorming, coming up with a plan. So at least in March, I can get it started. And I'm thinking with me writing it down and having a plan will work good. And then I'm excited because one of the things that I've created for the YouTube membership is the declutter challenge. And that's one of the things that's going to help me work on one of my goals that I want to work on. Well, I should have been doing, but I haven't even started on it. So hopefully with that particular challenge, I can accomplish what I need to, and that would go in with the spring cleaning and those type of things too. So I'm praying, and hopefully whatever I write down that it works, because we're almost in the 3rd month of the year. Time is just absolutely flying. And I filled out my monthly reflection insert that's included with the YouTube membership. And I'm absolutely loving that. I did it for February, and I already printed it off for March, and I placed it in my planner. And I know it's like this year with my planner, I've been jotting down everything, and I'm hopefully what I'm doing right now will work for the month of March. So bestie, have a blessed day. Have a blessed and safe weekend as well. And thank you so much. Toodles!